So I've had a lot of parents asking me, confused about the HeadSprout, because on the paper that I had sent home, it says Kids A through Z instead of HeadSprout. HeadSprout is actually a company that's underneath Kids A through Z. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you get in and what the login information is. So in your browser window, you'll just type kidsathroughz.com. It's going to bring you up to a blue screen. Down here you will see that I had already logged in before, but I'll show you start to finish. So you'll type in our username. It's kzakowitz5, go. And right here you'll see Dax, so you'll know that you'll be on the correct page. And then here is a list of all of our students. So you obviously want to make sure that you have your child's page. I'm going to show you in Miss T's account. She's our tech teacher, just so that you can see what it will look like. So when you go in, it's going to ask you to select a picture. That is your child's password. Just for the sake of making everything easy, I gave everybody the same password. So everybody is the watermelon. And when you get in, you're going to click this house that says HeadSprout. And everybody starts at number 1. The other 4 are locked because we don't want them jumping ahead unless they're ready. This starts at the bare minimum. I'm not going to click it because it'll start talking over my voice. If your little one starts and you feel like it's too easy and you think that they need to advance, just let me know and I can actually go in and I can change it so that they can get a little bit of a trickier start. Up here is the points. A lot of kids like that because they can see how well they're doing. And then when you log out, for future reference, this should always come up as our actual username. You really shouldn't have to re-log in. If you do, usually your computer will remember, but it's just my first initial, last name, and then a 5. Also, too, please make sure that your child's only working in their screen because otherwise it may mess up other students. And that is all. So if there's anything else that doesn't make sense, just let me know.